Hello everyone, this is Anjali Nimbalkar and I am giving the presentation on the topic of liposome, a novel drug delivery system. So the presentation contains is introduction, structure of liposome, reason behind formulating liposome, mechanism of liposomal drug delivery, advantages of liposome, disadvantages of liposome, and application of liposome. So first is introduction. The word liposome derived from two Greek words, that is lipo means fat and soma means body. It is so named because its composition is primarily phospholipid. The preparation of liposome with entrapped solute was demonstrated for the first time in 1965 by Professor A.D. Bangham of the Cambridge University, UK. The size of liposome ranges from some 20 nanometer up to several micrometer. The following images show the liposome. The first one is liposome and the second one is phospholipid bilayer diagram. Next one is structure of liposome. So the liposome contains phospholipid bilayer, aqueous media and the cholesterol. As in the diagram, it shows that the middle part is the aqueous phase which contains the green color square, while the blue colors are phospholipids which having the hydrophilic head group and hydrophobic tail. In between, the drug molecule is present. Both the diagram is of the structure of the liposome. Next one is reason behind formulating liposome. That is why we formulate the liposome. Liposomes protect some drugs against chemical and immunological breakdowns as well as protecting against effect of enzymes. Liposomes gives lower toxicity and the lower dosing. Drug loading and the control of drug releasing rate. Delivery of nucleic acid like DNA. Intracellular delivery of drug. The images show how the delivery of nucleic acid like DNA is possible due to the formulation of liposome. Next one is mechanism of liposomal drug delivery. How liposome is involved in the delivery of the drug. So a liposome is encapsulated a region of aqueous solution inside a hydrophobic membrane. Dissolved hydrophilic solutes cannot readily pass through the lipids. So hydrophobic chemicals can be dissolved into the membrane, and this is why liposome can carry both hydrophobic and hydrophilic molecule. Which means the hydrophilic molecule is present at the center while the hydrophobic is present around it. To deliver the molecule to the site of action, the lipid bilayer can fuse with the bilayers such as cell membrane, thus delivering the liposomal content. So first image shows that how the structure of liposome, while the second shows that how it deliver the drug to the cell as it fuses with the cell membrane and deliver the content. Next one is advantages and disadvantages of liposome. So advantage content, it provides selective passive targeting to the tumor tissue, increase efficacy and therapeutic index, increase stability via encapsulation, reduction in toxicity of the encapsulated agent, improve pharmacokinetic effects, used as a carrier for control and sustained drug delivery, and can be made into a variety of sizes. While disadvantages contain, production cost is very high, leakage and fusion of molecule can be possible, sometimes phospholipid undergo oxidation and hydrolysis like reactions, it having short half-life, low solubility and fast elimination from the blood. The application of liposome contains, liposomes are used for drug delivery due to their unique properties. It can be used for the drug targeting, for the topical drug delivery like the drugs like benzocaine and methotrexate, enhanced antimicrobial, antifungal and antiviral therapy, carrier for small cytotoxic molecules, vehicle for macromolecule as cytokinase and genes, enzyme replacement therapy and lysosomal storage disorders, chelation therapy for the treatment of heavy metal poisoning, and diagnostic imaging for tumors. The image shows that the drug which is used for the antimicrobial and antifungal therapy. Thank you.